Hi guys, today I will learn about software project management part 4. Why rapid development, faster delivery, reduce risk, increased visibility to customers, do not forsake quality. General strategy for rapid development, classic mistake avoidance, applied development fundamentals, risk management, schedule oriented practices. Schedule-oriented practices. Three kinds of schedule-oriented practices that improve development speed, allowing you to deliver software faster. Practices that reduce sequential risk, allowing you to avoid huge schedule overruns. Practices that make progress visible, allowing you to dispel the appearance of slow development. PM book structures PM by processes, knowledge areas. Processes are two types. Number one, PM processes describing and organizing the work of the project. Product-oriented processes specifying and building the project product. The five project management institution process groups: initiating, planning, executing, controlling, closing. Note: those can be repeated for each phase. Each process is described by input, tools and techniques, and output. Initiating process: input, output. Product description: input includes product description, strategic plan, project selection criteria, historical information. Output include project charter, project manager assign, constraint and assumptions. Planning process: devising and maintaining a workable scheme to accomplish the business need that the project was undertaken to address. Input: scope planning, scope definition, activity sequencing, activity duration estimating, resource planning, cost estimating, cost budgeting, risk planning, schedule development, quality planning, communications planning, organization planning, staff acquisition, procurement planning, project plan development. Executing process: coordinating people and other resources to carry out the plan. Project plan execution, scope verification, quality assurance, team development, information distribution, solicitation, source selection, contract administer. And a solicitation is the process of requesting a price and spotting information from bidders. Controlling process: ensuring that process objectives are met by monitoring and measuring progress and taking corrective measures when necessary. Overall change control, scope change control, schedule control, cost control, quality control, performance reporting, risk response control. Closing process: formalizing expectance of project or phase and bringing it to an orderly end. Number one, administrative closure, contract close out. PMI process. Level of activity. Here is level of activity, phase start, phase the time, phase finish date, from here to initial process, here planning process, Here include planning process, executing process, closing process, and here is controlling process.